Hi, in this video I'm sharing my simple solar oven that I made. I've used just a handful of times, and this time I'm baking a sugar cookie and heating some water for tea. Now it's just two cardboard boxes, one smaller cardboard box inside a bigger cardboard box that I insulated with some old carpet I had. And then I found this sunshade for a car at the thrift store and had this piece of glass laying around and this piece of metal. And I spray painted the inside of the box black, and the sides I glued some aluminum foil. Now this is about an hour later. You can see the sugar cookie has gotten a little bit bigger in the little cast iron skillet. And depending on what time of day it is and where the sun is, you can move the box, lift one side up to capture the most sun. Also, make sure to wear gloves because that glass is hot and those items are going to be hot. Now, the first time I made the sugar cookie, it stuck to the bottom, so I started spreading some coconut oil underneath. And for the mason jar, I spray painted black but left the side clear to see how much water was in there. Now it doesn't boil, but it does get hot. And the oven thermometer I just picked up at a local hardware store, and you can see the temperature went down. It started around 250 degrees. And here I am using the hot water to make some tea. And the sugar cookie on this day wasn't as done as the cookie that I made in this video, but it still tasted fine. And in the future, I'm going to try to make different things. I think baking is fairly simple to do in the oven, or just leaving something in there for hours to get warm over time, kind of the same idea of the crock pot. But basically the whole idea is to reduce use of electricity or gas and use the sun. So go try to make your own. It's pretty easy.